I want to bring in our think tank, see what they think. Joining us tonight from Chicago, trial attorney Michael Jaafar. Last but certainly not least, Michael Jaafar, want to get your thoughts on the verdict tonight.
I always say to young attorneys, you hold your breath every single time your client opens their mouth to speak. And so when they put her on the stand, it was a fateful decision. Her attorneys obviously did the right thing. She performed stellar, and she was up against a very seasoned prosecutor. I saw the cross-examination today. He was on top of every single fact. No matter what she said, he had a quick answer. He didn't have to think about it. Even when she said, he usually sleeps. Well, usually you say he sleeps in the man cave. Why wasn't he sleeping in the man cave? He had a total grasp of the facts. And this woman had ice in her veins in her testimony. She had ice in her veins. And so her attorneys knew that before we did, because they sat down and they grilled her and they practiced with her. And they were confident putting her on. And I agree with my co-panelist. They had to put her on. And here's why they had to put her on. Her husband died of blunt force trauma. He was run over by a bulldozer in the dead of night, when it was snowy outside, when everybody was driving carefully, and he was dead in front of her house. She had to come on and explain it. And I thought her way of explaining it and her testimony and the thread that was woven by her attorneys and her, it clearly won the day, because it allowed the jury to go into the room with one overwhelming feeling, which was doubt. And they came back with doubt in their mind, and that was their ruling.